Hi guys, do you want to start making money on YouTube and you don't know how? You want to start making money from your videos you post on YouTube and you don't know how to do it? Today I'm going to show you the right step to take on how you can be able to monetize your YouTube channel. Whether you're into gaming, you're into vlog, whatever aspect of niche you are into, your account can eventually get monetized and you start making money from your video. Today I'm going to show you 4 steps that you can use to make money on YouTube by getting your account being monetized. If you are coming across my video for the first time, my name is Marvel. Make sure you subscribe to get more tips on how you can grow your social media page. Let's dive into it. The first one is meeting up with the requirement for monetization. And under this we have 3 things that you need to achieve for you to be able to be monetized from the very beginning. The first one, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers, at least 1,000 subscribers for your account to be eligible to be monetized. The second step, you need to have at least 4,000 watch hour. Now what this watch hour means is the total number of people that is the total number of times that they have watched your videos all in combined, and you need to achieve this 4,000 watch hour in the space of 12 months. That is equivalent to a year. You need to achieve it, 4,000 watch hour. And the third one that we are going to look at is meeting up with the YouTube community guidelines and the rules. Make sure that your videos are not copyrighted. Make sure you don't post videos that are against the YouTube policy. For example, posting videos of blood, posting videos of a lot of things that are not supposed to be there. You get it down. Eventually you can never be monetized. Now this is the first step. Then now the step I'll go to talk about is applying. The second step I'm going to talk about is applying for the YouTube partner program. Now after you are able to get your 1,000 subscribers, you are able to get your 4,000 watch hour, you are able to follow the YouTube community policy. The next thing you are going to do is to apply for YouTube partner program. Now for you to be able to access this, you go to a YouTube studio and click on monetize for you to apply. Then YouTube will eventually review your account, which can take up to some weeks for it to be monetized. The third step is YouTube friendly content. YouTube friendly content refers to content that are not copyrighted. You posting content that are copyrighted, using sound that are copyrighted will eventually bring risk to your channel, which YouTube can eventually bring your channel down. Now make sure that your videos and the sound you are using, they are not copyrighted. Engage on they are not copyrighted. Then from there YouTube can be able to monetize your video and you can make money. The last one we are going to talk about is having other income stream under YouTube. Now having other income stream refers to ad, membership, partnership. A lot of brands will partner with you, use your channel to place ad. Then you can also get money from there. Now start posting, start creating your videos, posting them, and make sure they follow the YouTube guideline policy. Eventually you are going to hit monetization once you meet up with the requirement. So if you like more videos like this, make sure you subscribe. Thank you.